Whoa, 2 uploads in a week. Anyway, we'll be taking a look at the Kemove ARES 61. This is their CNC aluminum pre-built mechanical keyboard. Unboxing it, it is packaged just as well as the Snow Fox, greeted by your keyboard first as usual, then your keycap and switch puller, and the braided USB Type-C wire. It comes with a really nice dust cover as well. First impression of the keyboard, it is actually decently heavy. It weighs about 560 grams and the metal material feels really good. It is actually sandblasted and anodized. It comes with matching keycaps with your case color, supports both wired and wireless usage. The keycaps are actually PBT double shot, but I have something I don't like, which is this green that matches with the purple. I don't really like green to match with purple, so we'll be changing the keycaps out at the end of the video. For my switches, I went with Gateron rates once again. I don't know why I keep going with Gateron rates for pre-builds, but I have no idea what other kind of linear to choose, so afterwards I decided to remove all the switches and disassemble the entire keyboard. The PCB is a hot-swappable PCB with north-facing switches and per-key RGB. My battery actually came out, so I'm just gonna do this thing. For the plate, it is an aluminum plate and uses plate-mounted stabilizers just as the Snow Fox 61 does. Don't worry, we're not using Gateron reds, we'll be changing them out for Gateron Milky Yellows. These are your go-to budget switches. I'll be lubing the switches with some Krytox 205 grade 0, and for the stabilizers, I'll be using some Permatax. After the hard part was done, I just had to assemble the keyboard back together, so I started with putting my switches back on. Before putting everything back together, I decided to do the good old Tempest tape mod just like this. Yeah, 3 layers of goodness of some painter's tape. Who can say no, man? For the keycaps, I'll be using the Echo Neon keycap set. It is PBT double shot as well and has a cherry profile. Overall, a really nice looking keyboard with the right set of keycaps. I really don't like the purple and green keycaps, but this keyboard was just as easy to work with and has much more potential because of the CNC aluminum base. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The ARES is actually a really good beginner keyboard if you want to get an aluminum keyboard, not a plastic keyboard, so it makes it feel a little more premium. I think it'll be a good starter keyboard for those who want an aluminum keyboard. I'll be leaving links in the description down below, and if you want to get it from Amazon, there's 20% off. Like this video if you enjoyed it, comment what are your thoughts on the ARES. Do you like the purple and green keycaps or is it just me? And subscribe if you like more keyboard content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.